2 cups of flour into the bowl, 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Whisk to combine. Now we're going to grate 6 tablespoons of butter into the flour mixture. I'm going to add a little extra because a lot of the butter got stuck in the grater. Now we're just going to coat the butter with the flour. Okay, so the butter is nice and uniform throughout, so we're going to add some cold buttermilk now. About a cup of buttermilk. I usually just eyeball this to reach a point where it's just coming together, and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'll show you what I mean. That was a little messy. Buttermilk, little drops where it's dry, and kind of work it. Flatten it. Flip it. So now I'm going to start using my hands mainly. The dough is coming together. I need some kind of flipper. I'm going to be using this flat, like griddle spatula, just to kind of easily flip. A little more buttermilk. Oh, that's a lot. How are we gonna deal with that? Okay. Should be fine. Fold and flatten. Fold and flatten. Notice I kind of smear it a little bit so it covers more surface area than where I poured it. Now I need a rolling pin. Okay, looking pretty good. To a pot, add some leftover oil from fried chicken, 2 tablespoons of butter, crumbles, throw some thyme in there. Let's add some onions too. Grab a spoon and add 3 big spoonfuls of all-purpose flour. Okay, that's looking nice. Chicken stuff. I have some bouillon here. Better than bouillon mushroom base. This stuff's plenty salty. About that much. Turn the heat down to about medium. Some black pepper. That'll be good. Lots of black pepper. That looks like a man with his hands in the air. the biscuits about 12 minutes later. There's our little ugly biscuit. Still gonna eat it.